Personally, my childhood days were pretty good. It were fantastic, more than my adulthood days. So when you see me behaving like a baby sometimes, it is I'm trying to regain back the memories. I want to go back to the older me. Let's get to today's video. How to do rubber bands, and kindly help me hit 1000 subscribers, like, comment, subscribe and share. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hola, welcome to the other side of Amodis today. My name is Jacinta, and as you can see today, I am trying to massage my hair. The first part was my hair minus any product, any water, but this part, my hair is quite moisturized with a little bit of water. So let's begin this. I love the texture of my hair. I am forcing low porosity. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Here we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. So this is how my hair is looking like. We want to do 2 rubber bands, and I'm super excited. I can't just wait to see the final result. These are the bands we're going to use. We're going in with white and some blue. We've got a spray bottle, jojoba oil, some gels, and some combs, and a brush. And here we're beginning. So my hair is not well detangled, but I can say it is well moisturized. Moisturizing is very essential if you want to plait your hair, be it combing or stretching, because it helps to minimize breakage. So starting with this section, I've parted my hair into 4 sections, and I want to do it in sections just in case, because we just want to do away with so much tangles and anything of the sort. So I'm also again parting my hair. Likelihood we shall part it here in 3 sections, and that is it. So guys, please watch this video till the very end. And please put your bell notifications on so you get notified in case I post another video. My new videos has got like lower viewers. Please get back and watch my videos, and please give me thumbs up so that we can get to so many people. And why not comment? Just show me some love, drop an emoji, and ask me any questions. For those who are interacting in the comment sections, thank you so much. And please subscribe, please share. We want to hit 1000 subscribers before the year ends. So please guys, please support me. I am asking you to support me. Oh my goodness. So I have parted my hair, and I'm starting with this section. Number 1 do for me is I don't want to usually tighten my hair when I am plaiting. That is number 1 rule. So you will see how I'm going to go in with the rubber band. You just grab the hair and then you roll in. I'm rolling in thrice. I am not bothered when it's quite loose, because I don't want to tamper my edges in the name of plaiting this temporary style. So moisturize and be gentle on your hair. Avoid breakage and minimize hair fall. That is the trick when you're plaiting your hair. That is the only trick. I don't know if 2 rubber bands will go by to make my style pop, because I'm seeing like my hair is super long, but we shall see what next. But at the end, ensure you're tucking in with the roll tuck and you moisturize. Let's go to the next section. And I'm just excited. I can't just wait to see the final look and rock those pictures. If you're not following me on Facebook, please do. I've got a page, Sheisjacinta, and again we've got a group specifically for hair care tips, African Virgin Hair Improvement. And your girl is also on Instagram at Sheisjacinta. Please do that. Again, you can follow me on TikTok. Sheisjacinta Miss. Let's get Sasha. You'll get very pretty short exciting videos on my TikTok. This is the second part. Again, we're going in with white. I just want to mix in so that we can see the blend later on. My favorite color is purple. I'm a purple queen. Jacinta is always purple. The second one is definitely blue. So here we come. Will this one be enough, or we will need to tuck in with the last rubber band? Will it be? So the question tag for this video today is rubber band you got to do hairstyle. Do you like doing this to your child or to yourself, or is it not your type or it's your type? Let's get into a conversation below. Personally, I love it because it's a simple style to do. It is the color that it adds me, and again, it stretches my hair. Someone like me, I don't like plaiting. The only plaiting I mostly do is maybe twist out and maybe some threading. So before the year ends, I'm looking forward to maybe plaiting some box braids. Maybe, I don't know. But if I do it, definitely a video will be dropping out very soon before the year ends. Oh my goodness. I just love this. I just love what I am seeing. I don't know if you sing something, but me, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing something marvelous. I'm seeing something beautiful, Poppy. So I decided to add the third rubber band because actually my hair is long. So I want not to see some problems. Let us see how it pops. Let us see. But I'm loving the outcome so far, so good. I think my daughter can unlock this one in the future together with me. I can't just wait. I can't just wait for that moment. And please, you guys, check my description box. Sometimes I've got some pretty important information for you. So please read and check the description box and let's interact. Let's interact. My daddy, you baby is singing. That is the latest song that is ringing on my head. It is just a very powerful song. My daddy, you baby is singing. What is your greatest challenge when you're tackling your hair? I think my greatest challenge is making my hair super stretched, especially when it comes to combing and stretching. Oh my goodness. Despite having a tongue now, despite having a flat iron now, but my goodness. Just stretching my hair is a big deal. I love my hair being virgin. I love my hair in its natural state. I don't know. I really don't know. I hope when postpartum comes, I'll be already having a solution because, I don't know. I really don't know. So with this second section, again, we are trying in with the same procedure as you can see. It is just a simple style, but let us look at the benefits of this hairstyle. Number one, it stretches your hair. Your hair stretches automatically and it's a beautiful style. Again, it stretches and it is beautiful. Number two, it is easy to do. It is time consuming, as you can see. The second part is done. We're going to the last part. And definitely the last part we're going to do something unique. Number three, it is a neat style. It is very neat. It is very neat and you can do it at the comfort of your home. You can do it with your stretched hair and your virgin hair. Number four, the last but not least, it does not manipulate your hair. It is very simple to your hair strands. Are we together, ladies? Are you together, men? If you are a man watching this video, please share to your girlfriend, share to your wife, Share to your sisters, share to your mother. And if you are a lady sis, share to other sisters. For these and more hair tips, we upload videos every week. I am sorry for interrupting the norm. Recently, I've been uploading lifestyle videos so much, but I do shorts. So if you don't see me uploading a video, automatically there is a short for you. So please go ahead and watch my previous shorts and get entertained. Kindly, please. I am begging you to support this channel. When you watch a video, please share. As you can see, we are done, but not really done. What about those ends? Imagine I'm doing this and it is zero gel. I've got a styling gel, but I've not used it. I recommend you to buy Eco. It is expensive, but it's the best gel you can ever use on your hair. Your hair will not break out. Your hair will not fall unnecessary. With the ends, I am trying to twist them out just to secure my ends. You know, your ends are the oldest part of your hair, so delicately take care of it. That is what I did here. We receive all the showers of blessings. We receive abundance of grace. Let ripple as you have promised. We receive all the showers of love. If you give me thumbs up, if you not give thumbs up this video, please do so. Please do so. And thank you so much for. Most people watching me are from America and Ghana, and just little people from my country, Kenya, and other ones are from Ghana and Nigeria. Thank you so much for the support, and for the new subscribers, welcome to the family. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. If you are a returning subscriber and if you're not, put your bell notifications on. Please put them on so you get notified in case I post another video. We are coming back to back again with new videos, so kindly do it. With this last part is doing the edges. I am not an edge doing person, but this day I am trying to do the edges. My baby Luna says hi. Say hi. Say hi, mommy. She is disturbing me, and I'm sorry for the noise outside. It is during the day that I'm doing this voice over. I normally do it in the night, but because, oh my goodness, I have a very busy schedule, so today we just have to. I am not an edge person, so I'm still learning to do edges. I'm still recovering to regain back my edges, so please bear with me. Some videos are coming up soon on how to regain edges. I'll be taking you back to this journey, so be sure to come back again. If you've got those issues, then let's regain our edges together. So as you can see me doing this style today, number one practice that I have done is moisturizing. Number two is being gentle. Number three is you're not seeking for perfection. You just have to part your hair in a way that it comes up. Sometimes those not straight lines can just be beautiful on your head, so it is not necessarily that you come up with that perfect thing. After all, you're doing it for yourself. It is not a competition, and you just need to be you guys. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me thumbs up. Don't forget to share and give me a sweet comment. Before we finish, I would beseech you guys to keep watching my videos from the beginning to the end. I need to hit 4,000 watch hours this year, so we're only remaining with a few months to get there. So please do it for me, and God is going to bless you. If you are a Christian already, I'm inviting you to join my ministry or our ministry. It is a ladies only global ministry. So You can check the link in my previous video, Becoming That Christian Single Girl, and you will understand. So I've been doing the first part with the water alone, and with this second part I'm going in with Eco Styling Gel Olive Oil Component. Imagine doing this. I am just struggling, you guys. I am just struggling. I'm just struggling because I don't like this thing. I just don't like it. And I am not perfect. I am not seeking for perfection. So, remember, be the love, spread the love. Jesus Christ loves you unconditionally. This is I will inspire before my expiry, before your time ends on this earth. Ensure you find your purpose and chase it like nobody's business. Our days here are limited. So this is the final look. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? This is a close look. How do I look? How do I look? Am I popping or not popping? It is just the color bonding for me. It is the white and the blue for me. I'm not a blue person, but I just like it the way it is. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to come back again for another interesting video, and I'll be answering the next video your questions. Most of your questions are coming to be answered. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Obrigada.